Ripple is a digital payment protocol that changes the way foreign money transfers are done. It is often confused with its cryptocurrency, XRP. Ripple is a quick and cheap alternative to traditional methods that can take days and cost a lot of money. It's the original digital asset of the Ripple network. XRP makes these deals possible by connecting different currencies. You can't say enough about how important XRP is to the Bitcoin market. It has one of the largest market caps of all digital currencies and is used by many financial companies around the world. Recent events like the rumored Federal Reserve buyback have brought Ripple back into the center, which could have big effects on its value in the cryptocurrency ecosystem as a whole. Anyone who wants to fully understand how this story of change in the financial world fits together needs to know about Ripple and XRP. There were big changes in the financial markets when the US Federal Reserve said it would buy back XRP coins for $17,382. This has never been done before. Action is seen as a strong support of Ripple's promise in the changing digital economy. As soon as the news came out, the price of XRP went through the roof and trade volume went up as people rushed to make money off of it. This buyback approach isn't completely new, but the fact that a major government agency like the Fed is using it on a cryptocurrency is a first. In the past, businesses have used buybacks to give money back to shareholders, improve their financial statements, or gain control over their shares. Compared to other moves, this one by the Fed could be the start of a new era of monetary policy that interacts directly with the rapidly growing field of digital currencies. As soon as the buyback was announced, Ripple's market value shot through the roof. People who invest and trade, people both present and potential, were seen changing their plans based on the new valuation metrics that the Fed's decision created. There were a lot more trades, and XRP's price chart showed new rising trends and more investor interest. The market isn't just going crazy for a short time, though. Analysts think that the long-term effects could make Ripple an even more important player in the Bitcoin space. Several different financial models predict that Ripple will continue to grow and may even reach a new higher level of stability. Permanently changing the way investments are made and how markets work. A thorough technical study of XRP's price changes needed to fully grasp the immediate effects of the Federal Reserve's statement. Before the news, the price of XRP was trading in a pretty stable range, but the news served as a spark, sending prices to all-time highs. Several important levels of resistance and support have moved a lot, as seen in the price charts. The amount of resistance around $10 was a tough barrier that has now been broken and new levels are being tried. Support levels have also gone up, which means that XRP now has a new price floor. Predictive modeling that looks at both past data and current market trends shows that short-term instability will continue, but long-term holders of XRP could make a lot of money in the future. There are a lot of different strategy reasons why the Federal Reserve chose to buy back XRP at such a high price. In the main, it looks like an effort to better incorporate blockchain technology into the American banking system so that money transfers are faster and cheaper. The Federal Reserve can also lower some of the systemic risks that cryptocurrency pose to the financial system by stabilizing and maybe even controlling a part of the crypto market. The US will also be a leader in financial innovation thanks to this move, which could affect how digital banking and currency handling are done around the world. But the plan does have some people who don't like it. Some experts say that these kinds of actions could change how markets work and cause speculative bubbles, which would make the system less stable. The long-term effects of this big financial move are still a hot topic among analysts and people who follow the market. The Federal Reserve's decision to buy back XRP has effects that go far beyond the US. As investors rebalance their portfolios in response to the news, the prices of other big cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum went up and down. If other central banks around the world look at what the Fed does, they might decide to do similar things. This could cause a lot of changes in markets and regulations around the world. This move could also change the way foreign trade works, especially the way transactions happen across borders. With Ripple's technology at the center, sending money between countries could become a lot faster and more efficient. This could change the way economies and trade work around the world. Different countries have taken different methods to regulating cryptocurrencies, which has always made things hard to understand. The Federal Reserve's brave move could lead to a flood of new rules that make cryptocurrencies more compatible with the world's banking system. This could make it a lot easier for Ripple to deal with the legal problems it's been having, especially when it comes to XRP's standing as a security. There may be more standardization in the future. There should be clear rules that could help keep the crypto market stable and get more big investors. After the news, things are very different for investors. To get around in this new area, tactics need to be rethought so that they focus on long-term risks and opportunities as well as short-term gains. With prices going up and more people paying attention to the market, risk management becomes even more important. Diversifying your investments is a good idea. Not just between types of cryptocurrencies, but also between types of assets. Long-term business plans should look at how Ripple's technology might be used in regular banking. This could keep people wanting to buy XRP. A lot of news outlets, from general financial news sites to specialized crypto journals, wrote a lot about the statement. There was a range of coverage with some praising the Federal Reserve's forward-looking strategy. Some said it was too risky and could cause instability, while others said it was too bold. Social media and cryptocurrency sites show that most people are optimistic about the future of cryptocurrency. Many see this as proof of cryptocurrency's important role in the future of finance. Still, some people warn of the risks of speculative trade and talked about how volatile things have been in the past. A lot of different financial and crypto experts have given their thoughts on the Federal Reserve's choice. Some people see it as a genius move that could help stabilize and legitimize cryptocurrency, while others warn of the bad things that could happen when the market is manipulated on such a large scale. Academics have also spoken out, looking at how it might affect monetary policy, the way markets work, and the economy as a whole. Their ideas help us think more deeply about what this unusual move might mean for the future. In the past, there have been a number of large buybacks, but none of them were quite as big or complicated as the Federal Reserve's move with XRP. Reading about these events from the past can teach us important lessons, though. For example, stock buybacks have often helped the market in the short term, but they have also caused people to worry about long-term value and market trickery. By applying these lessons to the current state of XRP, interested parties can better handle possible risks and benefits. And it looks like traditional banking systems will play a bigger role in the future of Ripple and the cryptocurrency market as a whole. With this move, Ripple is set to become a key player in the digitalization of global banking. Blockchain technology and digital currencies are likely to keep getting better, and Ripple is likely to be at the center of these changes. New players and technologies are coming into the digital currency market, but Ripple's place as a foundational player is now more solidified. The choice made by the Federal Reserve has huge moral repercussions. There are disagreements about how fair the market is, how it affects small players and world players, and what role the government should play in decentralized markets. It makes you think about business responsibility, especially how Ripple will handle its newfound power and duty. It will be very important for Ripple and other big players in the Bitcoin market to find a balance between making money and doing the right thing. Setting a buying price of $17,382 for XRP by the Federal Reserve is more than just a business move. It's a very important time in the history of money. This essay has looked at many of the different effects this choice will have, ranging from how the market works to changes in the law, and from moral concerns to predictions about the future. As time goes on, it looks like cryptocurrencies like XRP will become a normal part of business. All parties involved will need to be very careful as they navigate the challenges and chances that this integration brings. Ripple's future and the future of all digital currencies is going to be very different. The results of this could change the way money works for future generations.